Master the small things. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to law number 13. Before this law, 12 laws are already there on this channel. So I will recommend you to watch those also because this is a series and you will be able to relate it and implement it in your life. So let's dive into it. When you face some kind of difficulty, you lose strength or you think why I am doing this. At that point of time, you need to stop and break that momentum because you are in a continuous momentum of losing your confidence, losing your interest in that thing. So at that particular time, you need to stop there. Do not dream for big things for that particular time. For that particular time, break down your each and every task into small steps. For example, if I'm planning to finish one of my subject in 2 months, I should not be focusing on 2 months. I should be rather focusing on today. Like I will study for 1 hour only, or 2 hours, or 3 hours. So by that thing, a big goal is broken into small pieces. So now I know I do not have to plan for a longer period of time. If I study 2 hours continuously every day for 2 months, I know this subject will be finished. This thing will bring confidence in you because you know every day you are working on a small thing for a bigger picture. And by this mean, you will get confidence. You will again get that energy कि हाँ भाई I can do that, मैं कर सकता हूँ. वो बस एक फेज था जो निकल गया. So कभी भी ऐसा समय आए, so उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर अपने उस मोमेंटम को ब्रेक करो. टेक अ ब्रेक 1-2 दिन का अगर if you think that is suitable for you. Then restart it. Restart your engine again. You will see a drastic change. Divide your bigger picture, bigger task into small steps. It will be really helpful for you. And here is the book, key learning from the book. When in doubt, focus on the things you know you do well. Expand outward from the center. See, have you ever seen a lotus? कितना छोटा सा होता है वो, एक छोटा सा सीड होता है जो ओवर द टाइम ग्रो करता है एंड इट बर्स्ट लाइक बाहर की तरफ, उसके जितने भी पेटल्स होते हैं वो बाहर की तरफ निकलते हैं. इट लुक ब्यूटीफुल. उसी तरीके से आप भी इस हिसाब से अपने प्लान्स को एग्जीक्यूट करोगे इन अ स्मॉलर वे. सो ओवर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आप भी इसी हिसाब से एक्सपैंड करोगे. सो दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई कैच यू नेक्स्ट लॉ. तब तक कीप स्टडिंग, कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, स्टे सेफ, स्टे फोकस्ड. जय हिंद.